Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Anan hotel room tour. I just got back to the hotel and just picked up the key, and my luggage was already delivered over here. And let me give you a quick tour. This room is like a lot more beautiful than the Bayphere Hotel, so let's jump right into it. It's like you got over here, you got a nice big bathroom, shower, you got your amenity stuff like shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, which is nice, of course. Nice toilet to do your thing. 2 bathrobes. Oh, they even give you the umbrellas for free. A beach bag, probably to if you want to go to the beach. A really big table. Look at this table, man. How long that is. And a super big mirror. This is crazy. Look. Let me walk a bit further up. Look how big this mirror is, man. It's like, and this is pretty special. Like a circular bath. I've never seen that before. It's like it's the first time I see this. Some slippers, also some slippers for the beach. This is crazy, man. Like, look at this. There's like a big mirror. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like 6 mirrors, man. What the fuck? What the hell? What the hell is this, man? 6 mirrors? What are you gonna do with all the mirrors, man? You got an alarm clock over here. That's also nice. Telephone to reach the reception desk. Some kind of a lamp, which doesn't really want to work, so it seems. Well, I'm not gonna use it anyway. So for your storage, of course, a nice TV. I never used the TV. I don't get it. Like, why do you watch TV? You know, maybe like streaming or something. And we have also a it's like this one, this side. So we got a balcony over here, and oh, we can see actually the pool over there. That's nice to have a view of the pool. Someone's actually swimming. That is what I wanted to visit as well, but probably not today because we are going to Rolling Loud in just like 1 or 2 hours, so don't want to do too much before Rolling Loud. But that's the only downfall between Bayphere and the Anan Hotel, is this balcony is a bit smaller. And this one doesn't have a like a couch thing. This only has got a table and chairs. But I guess the couch is over here. So we've got a big lounge couch over here, so you can sit on this thing. Oh, that's nice. Nice couch. And a really big bed, man. That's an understatement. It's like, look at this bed, man. I've never seen such a big bed. What? Maybe it's like, or is it like a twin? It's like, if I turn around the camera, I think it's like a twin bed, but they just pushed it together, I think. So they just made, yeah, it's two beds, but it just made one big mattress of it. But there's still like a split in here, so yeah, I don't really know why they do this. It's not making it any bigger, but yeah, we'll see. I only use like one side anyway, so yeah, we don't need like the whole space. But it's like a super big bed if you do have like a full size mattress like this. But really nice hotel, man. This feels more like a 5-star in my opinion. Bayphere didn't feel like a 5-star. It felt more like a 4-star hotel. And and you can basically see everything about this, like also like this table, this, you know, the sink. It looks a little bit more luxurious, or more higher grade, and they have these amenity kits as well. His and hers. That's it. Oh, it's like a dental kit. Oh, and Bayphere, you had to ask for it. So they do have it, but it's not standard. They don't give it to you immediately. You just have to ask for it. And there's just one more thing in this room, and that's the mini bar. And they said to me I could use the mini bar. This is free, the mini bar. So I can just drink, there's only like 2 cola, Sprite. So I can drink the cola if I want to. It's like, oh, that's nice. And Bayphere was not free, man. So I asked, like, is it free, all the food, but it wasn't free. And this seems to be like also a bit more drip coffee, so this is even branded. So, and I think they only had powdered coffee in Bayphere. So there are a couple of things like a little bit more better in Anan. So that is basically the room tour, guys. So I think this hotel does look a little bit better than the Bayphere one, especially the size of the room. The room is a little bit bigger, and it just feels a little bit more, 5-star than at the Bayphere. So, oh, even the neighbor. Look, there's the neighbors. If you look at outside, like the neighbors have, I don't even know if you see it, but they also have like an outdoor pool with like a split pool, like left and right, and in the middle they've got like benches or beds, those kind of things. But we've got a nice infinity pool over here, so yeah, that is super nice, man. That is super nice. So there you have it. Anan Hotel room tour. We've got a nice comparison. Tomorrow we're gonna check out the breakfast. Gonna film that as well. Same we did as with Bayphere. I'm expecting it a little bit like the same quality, right? So it won't be any worse than Bayphere, I think. But yeah, we'll see. And I hope you like this room tour. And yeah, I do these tours most of the time because, yeah, why not? Because we're already here and giving you a first impression on what I think of this hotel room is pretty nice. You know, it's like a lot of people wants to know, like, is this room like super nice to have, or is it okay to book? Of course, you'll be looking at booking.com or Agoda, those kind of websites, but it's also nice to have like a video about this, like a real video showing you the actual room. So no BS, it's actually what you get, so what you pay for. And it was not too bad. I think it was around 90 euros, 80 or 90 euros. And I booked it like months before Rolling Loud, but I think it was already sold out. So yeah, this is a really good hotel and pretty close to Rolling Loud, like 10 to 15 minutes with the car. So but yeah, hope you liked it, and until next time, peace out. Bye bye.